is Aarti Singh, and from now onwards, we'll be studying chemistry, as we like. Obviously, we know, and we'll be starting with the fifth chapter. So today, before starting with the chapters, we'll quick have a introduction, because I am also totally new to you all, and even you all are absolutely new to me. So this quick brief introduction is required.
I want to say just two things: thank you and sorry. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you for being available all the time. Thank you for being open to suggestions and mistakes. Thank you for being patient with just two students in lecture. Thank you for caring when I felt chemicals on my hand. Thank you for laughing at our lame comments. These moments with you are always remembered, Aarti Didi. And sorry for not attending some lectures and getting unsatisfactory marks. But you will always be in our heart, and all the best for your future. Thank you so much.
Okay, I am Asabri and I will be teaching you bio for the next year. Okay, so let's get right into it. Hi, so many highs in the chat. Thank you guys.
Hey, Didi.
Hi. Okay, let's get into it. So, let's do introductions.
Asavri Didi, you are very hardworking and you are doing a great job. Without you, it would never be possible that we, like your bio ke bache, would do biology so well, would understand bio, would understand this complicated process of ATP formation. You have made all the classes so interesting, so joyful. Your contribution to our life is like we can't even count. It's till infinity you have contributed for us. Thank you so much.
Hello, definitely. I hope you're doing good. Just quote for that inspire us, motivate us to keep moving ahead in life and be consistent towards our goals and efforts. That is really amazing. Your efforts always have been appreciable. This is the way you spread positivity in your lecture, the way you try to come up with different quotes for that inspire us, motivate us to keep moving ahead in life and be consistent towards our goals and efforts. That is really amazing. Your efforts always have been appreciable.
आपकी बातों की मिठास, आपकी सुंदर सी आवाज़, आपकी फूलों सी हंसी, आपको देखकर मिलती हुई खुशी नहीं भूलेंगे हम जब तक है जान. Thanks a lot, Janki Didi, for everything from a filmy version of mine. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
I didn't know how this academic year passed, but yes, it was full of fun, and I think it was because of just that 1 hour which I used to spend in the maths class with Jatin Bhaiya. Because he used to put us into a situation where we get to think a lot about the problem. He also used to make us visualize the problem. I was just loving that. I really like the way he used to teach, and I also the tunes that he used to play before the class. Those were really calming and peaceful, and I loved the kind of environment we were having. um, that's all from my side. Thank you so much, Jatin Bhaiya.
Yay! Okay, received a couple of yes. So, firstly, I'm very happy that you guys are on time this time, and I have a good amount of students, and it's just 6-1. I'm very happy about it.
To Mrinali Didi, the one who makes the most attractive PPTs, the one who never forget to mention Masuma in each of her classes. I just want to thank you for all the hard works and the efforts that you put for tolerating us, especially naughty and witty kids like us. Thank you for enlightening the whole economic class by your gorgeous looks. And yes, I love you and Fudge also.
Thank you for being such a great teacher. I will always remember you for your effort you have made in every lesson enjoyable and give the best knowledge out of it. and you are very inspiring teacher. You always inspire us to do more, and other than that you have always give us some life lessons also, and it was a very great time with you, and thank you so much.
चैप्टर रहेगा एंड ओके सो दिस इज द ईगल व्यू सो टेक केयर गाइस कि लाइक हर चैप्टर के पहले हर चैप्टर शुरू करते ही आई विल गिव यू द ईगल व्यू क्या होता है कि बेसिकली ईगल क्या करता है इट गोज टू ग्रेट हाइट्स इन द स्काई एंड चेक्स कि लाइक कहाँ है कहाँ मुझे
I'm Gokul Bhaiya. It just reminds me of a person who is very hardworking, who gives his best into any work, be it a difficult lesson or easy lesson. He'll always make them interesting. I learn many things from him, not just physics and its law, but many life lessons also. He always brings up a story with a moral before the class starts, and we discuss on the story. He has a very good sense of interacting with students, how to interact with us. He'll always be happy and energetic all the time, be it any day. What I liked about him the most is he always says टेंशन नहीं लेने का, सब हो जाएगा, सब मस्त में होगा. I really like about him a lot, and he is the best physics teacher.
To that cool bhaiya who is always ready to help us anytime and whenever required. The one who doesn't teach you with attractive PPTs but with those cool Excel sheets. I'm always grateful for those real life case studies. And yes, bhaiya, you are damn amazing and fun. Good luck for future.
The fact that all of you guys are like turning up this quickly makes me really, really happy. So, good vibes. So Shreyas Bhaiya was telling me that, after our class got over on Monday, when you guys went back, when you guys went to the next class, he was like, dude, the kids were like so energetic. What did you do? Like, did you make them eat some energy, like drink some energy drink or eat some like really good food or what? So I said, no, we were just having fun in class. So he's like, no, whatever you did, just keep doing that. They were very happy in the accounts class. I said, see, we to do what we do in OCM class. You can't come and ask us that. He's like, no, but I'm giving you a compliment. I said, okay, cool, if you say so.
Dearest Smriti Didi, thank you so much for giving us your valuable and precious time in this tough time. You share your unprecedented knowledge, unpredictable knowledge, and you have spread and inspire so many beautiful young minds. You are such an amazing soul. Your energy creates some different environment and atmosphere in the class. This is so very beautiful. I love to say that you show us how a confident person look like. Thank you so much for these beautiful things and value you have inspired.
Hello Suparnika Didi, you are really sweet Didi. Thank you for teaching us the economics and making it simple and understandable the best you can. I have learned so many things from you that I can't even recall all of them. I learned not only in economics but also gained so many knowledge from you which no one would tell me. Thank you for everything you did for us, for all the efforts you put, for all the hard works you did just for us. At last, I would say that a good teacher can inspire, ignite the imagination and instill a love of learning. Thank you. Bye Shivani.